Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Chrysler Sebring. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather your tools, including a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial safety step protects you and your vehicle's electrical system. Next, identify the alternator's location, usually near the front of the engine compartment, often below the power steering pump. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use a serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these bolts, and then you can carefully maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Reinstall the mounting bolts and tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring each connection is snug and correct. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, including the alternator, and use your serpentine belt tool to apply tension, making sure it's seated properly on all grooves. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable, ensuring it's tight and secure. Before starting the car, double-check all connections and make sure no tools are left in the engine bay. Start the engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage at the battery terminals. It should read approximately 5 to 5 volts. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.